What's up? Hmm?
Yeah, man, wait for you. You hear it, June?
Yo, his tune cut off. It's like Jani is tired to see his face. And then bloop. And the song done. So I figured that,
They're gonna let him play.
it should expire.
I'm gonna let him play
You
it
have a
again.
tune lined
Yeah, I'm
up?
gonna let him play it
I
again.
have a tune lined up, if that's what you're asking me.
No, I'm gonna see if he ready. If he wanna play it again.
I
And if
know
not,
the
I can just
song.
let
I
him go
heard
back.
it already.
Oh well, you can go on, cause he on too.
He wants to cut the song off because it's true for his sound.
No, the time had done, man, mama.
Where's Jani?
It's you. If you ready, up. Janai there. He there. I was waiting for him, but he here now. So, if you hear the song.
Yo, you ready? Where's Jani? Go. All right, let me plug in.
He there.
Let me plug in the iRig. Hold on. Yo, Jani said go. All right. Yo, Jani. Even the last tune you play, you're trying to go on with like some sort of style in the dance hall. Like, I don't understand what you're trying to get out of playing and doing what you do, but yo. When it's true and it's real, it sounds like this.
See that funny voice with its funny, funny sound and its funny flankers, doing its funny, funny dubs, seeing their funny, funny moves. Can't guess a fearless sound. This is a fearless sound. We don't keep it there. Stays it down in the group. We're gonna keep it right now. Hey, sound boy. This is the fearless sound. Dance all news. Fire dance all news.
I told you. I told you, dog. The race is not for the swift. It's who can endure it. After a certain time at night, when Snow White is playing, she gets just a little bit too drunk, so she just do her little drunk thing, you know? That's why me tell her it's better if she strip or get naked than play a song. That's how the thing go. So, me can help her out a little bit and play something like this for her.
We can't lose in this sound clash we play, right or wrong. We can sound anyway, and if a sound boy takes, we lay him down to rest. That sound will never be the same again. Jani has got another sound to kill. He's gonna kill them.
Original fixing about being black and prayer.
Yo, you know what, Jani? Play what you wanna play, but listen.
Sorry,
never tried to this. Give me some rhythm from ears. I want them to fool them out. Say what? Sound bomb, oh yes. Fearless come to execute you. Did you mean to tell me you dissed the sound? I get your life locked up and what? Sound bomb, oh yes. Fearless come to kill you. Did you mean to tell me you dissed the sound? Right now. You dissed the fearless who will show you now that this sound is a dangerous sound. So much more they have to kill for you. Oh yes.
Listen.
Well, if I something them bad and low, God is more than long to show them now. Show you what this fearless sound can do. And what? Sound bomb.
Matthew. Matthew.
Yo, Snow White. It's those kind of time of the night, you know? Maybe you should get some water, smoke a spliff. You know, relax for a little bit, you know? At them time there the night.
Last tune.
The clash of it interesting and fun and, you know? That's how it's supposed to go. But one thing you have to remember, anytime you play Jani, remember this.
Spabada, Jani to the world. Hey, Jani shall kill as long as we play, and as long as we play, sound shall die. So why you gonna die tonight? We not tell no lie. If you try to test Jani's sound.
Yo, Janai, how are you gonna diss an artist? Yo, Marcia, a nice lady, you know. How you gonna go splice her now too? Come on, man, relax with the splice, Janai. Yo, straight up, it's like you're singing these tunes, and people are like, "Oh my God!" Like, "Oh my God." You're talking about I'm gonna die. It's just like when you go and kick somebody and you kick them and like you kick them enough and then they start bleeding and shit. And then they're still like flapping around, still trying to get up and shit, but you keep kicking them. And then they get to the point that, you know, they're close to death or they're almost dead and they do the last little muscle spasms in their body. That's what Janai's doing right now. You want to come test Fearless Sound? Come on now.
Fearless sound, play sweeter, better, stronger. I feel a little better. Fearless sound, kill your sound. I feel a little easy, then put you on the ground. And I know it is real, this time I know. I told you how I feel, another sound boy's got to go. But if you wanna wear the crown, you've got to be officially. You say you wanna wear the crown, you've got to be officially, or your sound I go dead, straight to your head. Any rhythm you can play, Fearless sound, play better.
What a man, a Pinstead, Bombo Clad.
I tell you already about her when she get drunk, so she stayed. She don't even know real from fake or fake from real or you know the thing already. So it's what me I gotta do. Snow White and my baby, she and me little, me love sponge, the thing already, And she knows say me love her for a long time and me and her used to there and then, certain things up me and a good man. So, she did have to left me and all them kind of thing there. Snow White, me still love you. Just cause we're not there again, you can't get mad at me, me a man. Me have to have girls, everything, I saw the thing work. We can't just have one wife or one girl or one, side chick. I saw the thing work, But me I go tell you this. Me I play my final entry going out to you, Snow White.
Hey, Jani, you murder sound and take with them girls, huh? Only you alone plays this one, yeah. Yo, Snow White! See, now I'm still loving you, even though you're gone. Hey, you're still on my mind. Them get what them deserve, what them deserve, what them deserve, what them deserve. Them get palm, them get palm,
Big up yourself, Ringo. You know how the thing go. When we do the crime, we can't do talk on the phone because you know how the thing go.
True, so. Baby, sir. And that's it.
Yo,
Yo.
final tune done? Are we done? You said last time final
Yeah,
tune.
final
How does
song.
this go? Keep
We're
going
going
and
to
keep going?
SMLU and vote it out. No, SMLU, what I'm going to do, I'm going to see the video, send it to the group, and let the group vote it out.
Scene. Bop. Yo,
You
big up
understand?
yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta do it like that. You gotta do it like that. Make it
Mm-hmm.
fair. So
Oh,
final
final
song.
song now? All right, cool. You know what? Can you hear it proper?
Yeah,
I'm
this
not
is
even
final.
gonna bother with the iRig right now. Just play it.
Let it go.
Just gonna let it
It's
go.
cool.
Feeling's gonna kill you. Oh. Feeling's gonna kill them now. Gonna kill yourself. Taking the rap around. Cause fearless, we are the talk of town. We break open on the beginning. So me that time taking it personally. Cause feeling sound is a one in a million. We play on and on and on. We kill sound by the real dealer. All day long, feel a sound. We play on and on and on. We kill some boys, real dealing. All day long, and you glide into some boy for real. Yo.
Salute Snow White.